This is the KMB-28 Six Unit Charger from Kenwood. This charging rack takes up to 6 KSC-35 chargers, which are included with the 3400U4P Pro-Talk two-way radios from Kenwood. When you open the box, you'll see it includes a rack, which has a long cord and 6 small accessory cords inside. The plate, which holds down both levels of chargers, and 2 screws to tighten the plate down. Installing the chargers is simple. Like I said, the chargers are included with each of your 3400U4P radios, so pull those out of the packaging and place each one into the rack. Be sure to plug in each charger as you add them. Once you get them in place, you can't get back behind the charger to plug them in. This is nice since once they're plugged in, they stay tight in the rack and can't get unplugged if it's jostled around. Once you have all the chargers in place, use the crossbar with the padded side forward to tighten the chargers down into the rack. Now, plug the long cord in and you'll be able to charge up to 6 radios at a time, without having 6 separate chargers floating around getting cords tangled up everywhere.